Alright guys, what is up everyone and welcome back to the part 2 of the Generation Speed. Check that out. और क्या आवाज कर रही है. This is crazy. Bro. So, what is up everyone and welcome back to another vlog guys. This is the part 2 of the Generation Speed here at the Ambi Valley Airstrip. And guys, आपने अगर मेरा पहला vlog देखा, the part 1 of this festival, the Generation Speed Festival, so you would know we saw a lot of cars, plenty of cars ranging from like the sports cars, the race cars, some drift builds, some SUVs and a lot more. But ये वाला जो part है, it will be focused more on the other section. Like I will be dividing this like in this vlog section wise cars जो कि मेरे सामने भी खड़ी है. There are a lot of Lamborghinis, some supercars, some exotic cars and some very rare cars. So अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो make sure you subscribe अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, and also make sure you follow. बढ़ते हैं directly towards starting this vlog. Check this out boys as I move ahead. What do we have over here? Damn boys, this is the dream machine. This is my dream car, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Man, this car is wild bhai. This is crazy. And ये गाड़ी हमने देखी at the Raymond Auto Fest. If you remember, if you have seen my vlogs, if you haven't watched that vlog, make sure you watch it because that vlog is exciting. And वो भी event इतना बड़ा था, I literally divided that vlogs into like 5 parts. So yeah, let's continue on with this Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. आप देख सकते हैं, we have got the carbon fiber mirror over here and check this out for the authenticity. This is the SVJ 1D900. Only 900 of these cars in the whole world. That's what makes this car so special. You can see carbon fiber है वहाँ पर भी, the side skirts, even the wing is of carbon fiber. And guys, कितनी भी बात करें about the Aventador is always not gonna be enough. Here I have in front of me is another bull god. This is the first version of the Lamborghini Aventador. But yeah, this is the car. This is the bull god, the OG bull god who started it all. And according to many great like automotive enthusiasts all along the world, they say this is the best supercar ever made. So yeah, of course आपने ये गाड़ी मेरे vlogs में भी देखी रहेगी. This is from the Mars Garage from Pune. Bro, this car is crazy and it has got that small upgrade of the rim paints. Like the rims have been painted to a different color, and to match that rim color you have got another Lamborghini. This one is a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. Bye. Check this out, how beautiful this car is looking. And even ये car is from Pune, owned by Mr. Bhushan Musale. He is also a shooting champion, one of the biggest national champion, and the one who represents Maharashtra in the shooting competitions. So yeah, बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा. And this spec, check this out, the purple and the golden rims. This is of course the winner spec. And guys, as we move on, यहाँ पर है हमारी हम सब की फेवरेट कार, the Honda CRX Pulsar, owned by Mr. Shekhar Jagdale sir. And I must say, the paint is quite impressive. पहले ग्रे में इतनी attractive नहीं लगती थी, but now in this red paint, definitely this is looking so cute and cool. By the white paint job done on the rims, थोड़ा सा काम बाकी है गाड़ी पे, but yeah, whatever you say, I don't care. This car is looking so good in red. My oh my. Make sure you follow Mr. Shekhar Jagdale sir. And here's SL 500. बढ़ते हैं आगे to see something very exciting. This is the Red Bull's F1 car. You can check out how the interior of the car is. I mean not the interior, how the POV of a driver looks like. Like it's completely made out of carbon fiber. You can see how low this car is. Like सिर्फ इतना सा gap है, इतना सा. Check this out. I don't know. I'll need to lower my phone down. But सिर्फ ये मेरे 2 उंगलियां. Guys, हमने देखी Red Bull की कार, but now it's time for the supercars. आप देख सकते हो, here is the Ferrari 488 GTB from Pune, owned by Mr. Sanjay Takle, which we saw also in the part 1 as well while it was entering. But yeah, he's the first Indian ever to race in a Dakar rally in a particular category. So shout out to him. This is the 911 Carrera S from Team Evo India, owned by Mr. Suresh Chandran. And the main scene, the main havoc, which the cars have been causing here all over India. These are the Kerala boys straight out of Dubai bringing the cars here on Carnet. This is the Dodge Charger, this is a Challenger, this is another Challenger over here. This is the Instagram ID, you can check them out, check out their profiles, follow them, check this out. So yeah guys, let's just check out the cars from the front. This is absolute madness. Like bhai, ye dekho, the Dodge Charger, the Dodge Challenger and the Dodge Challenger. You can see that demon screaming out loud. Today time we are gonna hear these cars driving out loud. By the way, I really love how this has been done. Gold and black, perfect combination. बढ़ते हैं आगे. Here we have got something exciting for all you JDM boys out there. Bhai, check this out. This is literally mayhem here at the Generation Speed. You have your favorite Mark 4 Supra in the house, boys. So if you are a JDM fan, make sure you like this video, make sure you are subscribed, because who knows, in the coming time we might own this car just because of your support. And यहाँ पर है the Porsche 911 Carrera 4 all the way from Ahmedabad, owned by Sachin Parker. That car over there. This is the Porsche 992 GT3. I guess that's a touring edition, which is a manual. So brownie points for that as well. And how can we forget the Mumbai gang over here? This is a Porsche 911 Carrera S owned by Khushru. And यहाँ पर है horsepower cartel की very mean looking, like the silent killer of cars, which is the BMW M3. Guys, as I told you before, this vlog is going to be of some very rare cars, even the Maharaja cars as well. Right in front of me is a Certis TS11, which is a Formula 5000 car, and the engine in this car is so special that it was also used against Vijay Mallya in the races in which even he also raced. So guys, this is Maharaja of Gondal's Formula 5000 Certis TS11. If you can read over there, that's the info about the car. I was surely gonna make a reel on this car, but due to time constraints वो हो नहीं पाया. Check this car out close now, because if you can remember, we also recorded this car at the Raymond Auto Fest, which was held in Thane, and यहाँ पर भी वो car present थी, but that time we couldn't get this much close access. But yeah, now it's time for you guys. Shout out to Generation Speed for bringing such beautiful cars out there. हाँ, इसका engine check करो यार. I am just drooling over it, and these used tires. This is a piece of art. And guys, when it comes to vintage cars, अभी तक आपको पता चल गया रहेगा what is my taste in vintage cars. So this definitely has to be one of them. So yes guys, this is the Buick Electra 225 owned by His Highness Maharaja Himanshu Singh of Gondal. Not just that car or this car, this lineup over here is actually of the Gondal royal family, if you can see. So this is a 1971 Camaro from Chevrolet. Now you might be familiar with what kind of race cars or sports cars Maharajas drove back in the day, looking at that Certis TS11 over there. But agar मैं कहूँ, if you can guess what the modern day Maharaja drives today, then it would be this car right over here. This is the Dodge Viper. Check this out, the level of madness on this car. I mean, even let's just have a closer look to it, because we have the access right now. This is the Dodge logo on the car, and bhai, this is madness yaar. Literally, this is the Dodge Viper, a very rare car. It has a V12 inside it, and this has got a manual gearbox, so you know what it means. It's a convertible at the top. I would say a unique exhaust system you would get to see, apart from all the modern supercars that you get to see. The quad exhaust not coming from two sides, but right from the center. So yeah, this is something very unique that we have gotten to see over here. जबकि हमको access मिल ही गया है अंदर का. So this is how the interior of the Camaro is looking, and this is how the car looks from the back. That pintail over there, that wing, you know, that is so appealing. This is the Buick Electra. इतनी बड़ी है that even in the 0.5x mode, it's not fitting in my iPhone 15's frame. This is the part that gets me the vintage vibes of this car. आप इसका interior check कर सकते हो, matching with the exterior paint. Even the interior leather is of the same color. You can see बहुत सारी space है at the back, but this chrome and this color scheme is what gets me, you know. No modern day cars can outstand these cars. So guys, यहाँ पर है कुछ और vintage cars which you might have also seen at the VCCCI event in Mumbai that was just held after the Raymond Auto Fest. बहुत सारे लोग गए थे, I know. So if you are relating to this car, make sure you like. This is the Avon SS owned by one of the very prime members of the VCCCI club, Mr. Nitin Dosa. And as I told you in the part 1, the vintage cars and the bikes are named as Legacy Lane. So this is a very unique concept that I liked about the event right over here. So this is a Triumph Alder Junior Sports Roadster. This is some info about the car. बढ़ते हैं आगे. अ वेरी यूनिक जैगवार जो आपको बहुत ही रेयरली देखने मिलेगी एक्सेप्ट दीज काइंड ऑफ इवेंट्स. दिस इज एन MGB. I guess even this was there at the VCCCI as well. Of course, we saw this car, the Triumph Spitfire Mark II at the Raymond Auto Fest. And यहाँ पर है a legendary brands, legendary car. This is the Dodge. Check out how big that wing and the fin is going at the back. So yeah, let's step in and देखते हैं यार. I am really impressed by these kind of cars, and it being a Dodge at the top, this is epic. ये है उसका logo of that time. The tail lights, man, I mean, just look at them. How could you not fall in love with this? Even the interior, as I spoke about that car over there, the Buick Electra, even this is so appealing. वहाँ पर है the Mini Cooper Mr. Bean's car. So here we have got स्वरंजित पाजी's collection, and उनमें से इन सारी गाड़ियों में से सबसे prominent car which is this Land Cruiser right over there. If you can see, this car was previously owned by सिद्धू मूसेवाला पाजी, एंड आप इनका कलेक्शन चेक कर सकते हो. स्वरंजित पाजी का द येलो गैंग, वी हैव गॉट द Audi RS e-tron, एंड इसका नंबर प्लेट चेक करो 0001. दैट्स अ क्रेजी VIP नंबर प्लेट. एंड इफ यू कैन सी एंड चेक आउट द ग्राफिक्स ऑन दिस कार, सिद्धू पाजी के ग्राफिक्स है. And as I previously said, this car was owned by Sidhu Paji. So yeah, I mean, if I'm showing you this on my video, you definitely got to subscribe. Yes, a very cool and a beautiful Bentley Continental GT in a shade of yellow. And इसका interior देख लो आप, if you can see, there's a very beautiful pattern printed on the like आप dashboard कह सकते हो. So yeah, this I didn't know about the car. So ये मेरे लिए नया था. But yeah, this is how the car is looking from the front. Absolutely beautiful. And here's a Mini Pajero, I guess, from the Rajputana Customs. So yes guys, this was it about the part 2 of the vlog, जहाँ पर हमने देखे mostly the super cars, some exotic cars, some vintage cars, and some very rare cars as well. Even some Maharaja cars, I would say. Third part में आप देखोगे some modified cars and overall overview of the event. So guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also part 1 देखना मत भूलना अगर आपने नहीं देखा है. Stay tuned for the part